Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I am at this new construction 1210 Constellation over in Alpine Woods. This one is beautiful, just built in 2023 for just under $1 million. Come check it out. Okay, so street view right here. This one was actually just listed for like $985. And not too long ago, I believe that was their number, didn't sell, my understanding, and manufactured home. So deal. This one, new construction, absolutely gorgeous. I just went in, turned on all the lights. I think you're gonna love it. So it was built in 2023. It's got the log siding, and I want to go show you that log siding. I will in a minute. Property line right here, and you may not be able to see it, but some ski slope views in the backyard. So something to note that you maybe wouldn't have noticed. Obviously new roof, new everything. So the house just reduced to $999, so just under $1 million. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, Fox Farm neighborhood on an 8,500 square foot lot, 2-car garage, very easy access. So if you come over here to McAllister, where these cars are passing right now, you can go right and go over to Moonridge, Bear Mountain area. You can go left, and from that left, take a right and go to Bear City really quickly, or you can go left and then go left and get to like Vaughn, Stater Brothers area pretty quickly, as well as going this direction too. So let's go on in and take a look. We've got a 2-car garage. I like the finish on here, especially on the side of it. It's like a flat look that's actually really pretty too. So it's a lot better than some of the construction where they will just do the front of it and then just forget about the sides. So really cool, pretty color patterns too with the wood, dark wood. This is the Trex Forever decking, and I like how they did this new style. You don't see that, kind of rare. Nice covered front porch area, but absolutely a great deal for $1 million. New construction. Seen a lot of other ones that are not this new and also smaller that are in the same price range. So check this out. So first off, you got these alderwood doors, real heavy, nice, oversized. What is it, about like 8-foot door or something like that. Closet, and another closet. It just smells fresh and new in here. Obviously, dual pane windows. Some laminate hardwood floor with a beautiful pattern in there. So on new construction, from my understanding, you have to put these kind of fireplaces in. No more wood stoves. You might be able to do an aftermarket change out on it, but this is kind of what you're going to be looking at if you are looking for new construction. So really bright in here as well. So obviously the living room area, dining room area, and your open kitchen. You've got a little bump out right here for a kitchen table. Nice accent pieces for the lights too. Very good job. I mean, I've seen much new construction up here, and the finish work is really nice on this builder. It's a nice silver. And this is so funny because this is my countertop at home. The exact same one. I love it. Let's see if they did the slow close. Yep. Gotta put a sprayer nozzle in there. But from the back, from the kitchen sink, you've got a neighbor back here. You've got something back here. We're gonna go investigate that. But a little bitty peekaboo view of the ski slopes from the kitchen window. It's beautiful. All the appliances all match. Lots of cabinet space too. I think I tried this on the last house. I don't get it. I'm not gonna mess with it. So, we're gonna go down the hallway. Gonna run into 3 beds, 3 baths. You also, off the kitchen, have this nice pantry. Again, alderwood door. I mean, that is a nice pantry. And then off to the right of the pantry, you've got the laundry room. Without the appliances. But you got the same countertop as in the kitchen. Pretty much the same sink. Let's go check out the garage. Water heater out here with its drip pan. Obviously going to be a new water heater. It is strapped and probably not needing to be blanketed because you are in this garage. So nice that they finished it off. This seems like a bumper for a car possibly. Sprinkler system in the garage as well. It's a really cool finish on that tile. Okay. Ceilings in here are a good, like, I'm 5'5" something, felt probably about 10 feet, 9-10 feet. In there, in here, and then obviously different in here. Sprinkler systems in here as well. So insurance would likely be a little bit easier for you to get and hopefully less expensive with that. They didn't have to do it, but that is a great little addition. So your bed's probably going to go right there. You've got plugs on both sides, centered to the fan right here. You could also, too, just looking at the side right now, RV or boat parking if you wanted to. TV right here. Me right there. I like that mirror. Just simple. This is tile. Nice little shampoo box. Definitely went, it's a cast iron. And so that is one of the masters, but not what I would consider the master. We still have to go to the master. So you do have central heating And you also have sprinkler system in the closet too. Pretty fans. This is going to be the common bathroom, so any guests that are visiting, or the second bedroom that does not have its own bathroom would be using this one. Same countertop as the kitchen and the other bathroom. Slightly different. I love that they did a different, ooh, that's a nice door. I love that they did a different tile in each of these bathrooms. So this one's kind of almost like a leathered look. Shampoo box. They did all the same faucets, and then this is like a marble too. So almost like a gray, where the other one was more white. That one's more gray. And we come out of there. Got a nice little game closet. Put some board games, some extra blankets. If you wanted to, you could take this out. Built a little desk right there. So we've got bedroom number 2. Good for, you could get a king bed in here. Again, you've got this wall that's decorated right here. It just gives it a nice woodsy touch. Got a couple little built-ins and hanger bar. Then we're about to go into the master. So TV right here on this wall. I'm gonna pan the room, and then I'll go into the bathroom, and then the closet, and then we'll go outside. So different colors in this bathroom too. But look at that. I like that red in there too. And these doors are like nice and heavy, not cheap and chintzy. You got kind of like a matted tile in here. Oh, I can't really, you gotta come feel it. Very large shampoo box. I love that hexagon tile too. We've got toilet room with a door. And check out this freestanding tub. That is beautiful. It's right over the backyard window. So again, I'm gonna go out here and check out this little, it looks like the city might own it. So let's go check it out. But first, every master is going to have a closet. You got a walk-in closet right here with automatic lights. You got like a her side, and his. So again, you've got truck stacking right here. You've also, here we are, kitchen window through the house. Natural gas coming out here, so you could put a barbecue out here. But what a great covered patio area. Neighbors right here. So obviously that is not on your property line. Your property line's likely going to be where that fence corner is, so just slightly past this. If not, it could very well just be this right here. Whatever it is, you are not allowed to smoke around there. That could be the property line, but it also, really hard to tell. That way it's the property line, but this way, I'm not sure if it's here or here. Sometimes people get fences incorrect. The land is a little soft over here. So I don't want to get anything muddy. Got nice big pylons for the deck. Gutters, which is rare. But there you have it. I'm kind of dying to go. Oh, I get it. Okay. Pretty sure this is going to come off of this street right here. There might be like a little easement to get to this little house. Looks like gas of some sort. That is the city's. So, nice little privacy fence back here. And you'd never know it was there. All right, so 3 beds, 3 baths, $1 million. Very close to Big Bear Lake, Big Bear City. You could sleep it to an occupancy of 6 people on a rental program. And if you have any questions about it or want to take a look, give me a call. Bye.